Imagine turning your online browsing into a gold mine, but what if I told you 90% are doing it all wrong? Today, we're exposing the hidden truths of affiliate marketing that pros don't want you to know. In the vast ocean of affiliate marketing, the first treasure map to decipher is finding your niche. Now, you might think a niche is just any topic you find slightly interesting. However, it's so much more. It's the secret sauce to turning your passions into profit. Imagine waking up every day excited to work because you're dealing with products or topics you genuinely love. That's not just a dream, it's a real strategy that successful affiliate marketers use. Now, why is this crucial? Because when you're passionate about something, it shows. Your authenticity becomes a magnet, attracting an audience that shares your interests. This connection is invaluable, turning casual visitors into loyal followers, but passion alone isn't enough. Your chosen niche should also have a clear, profitable target audience. There's a sweet spot between what you love and where you can earn, and that's where you want to be. Think of it this way: if you're all about sustainable living, you wouldn't go for promoting single-use plastics, right? Aligning your niche with your values not only makes your marketing efforts more authentic, but also more enjoyable. Now, the burning question: how do you find this mythical niche? It starts with a bit of introspection and a lot of research. List down your hobbies, interests, and areas of expertise. Then explore their market demand. Are people searching for it? What's the competition like? Is there a gap you can fill? But it doesn't stop there. The magic is in refining and evolving your niche as you grow. Your first pick might not be your final one, and that's okay. Flexibility and continuous learning are your allies in this adventure. Before we unveil more secrets in this treasure hunt, let's pause and ponder what's something you're passionate about that others might be interested in too. Could this be the niche you've been searching for? Evaluating affiliate programs might seem like navigating through a maze, but it's actually an exciting treasure hunt where you're in control. Imagine you're an explorer equipped with a map deciphering clues that lead to the hidden gold. That gold in our world is the perfect affiliate program that aligns with your passion and promises lucrative returns. The first clue is the commission rates. High commission rates are eye-catching, but they're not the only factor to weigh. Sometimes a lower commission rate with a high converting product can fill your treasure chest faster than a high rate attached to a less desirable item. The next clue on our map is the payment method. It's not just about how much you earn, but how and when you receive your hard-earned gold. Do they offer PayPal direct deposit or checks? And more importantly, is the payment schedule suitable for you? Monthly, bi-weekly, or on a per-sale basis? Now, onto a crucial clue: the reputation of the affiliate program. This is where your detective skills come into play. Research what other affiliates are saying about the program. Are there any red flags? Remember, the credibility of the affiliate program is a reflection on you. Here's where things get a little personal. How does the program fit with your niche? And can you genuinely endorse the product or service? Your authenticity is your strongest ally, attracting viewers and converting them into followers. Are you starting to see the outline of the treasure map? Exciting, right? But we're not done yet. There's always more to discover, refine, and adapt as you grow in your affiliate marketing journey. Now, think about this. Have you come across an affiliate program that checked all the boxes but still left you hesitant? What was holding you back? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Understanding your audience is like unlocking a secret code that transforms your affiliate marketing strategy from good to phenomenal. Imagine you're at a party. You wouldn't offer a slice of chocolate cake to someone who's allergic to chocolate, right? That's exactly what it's like when you select affiliate offers without knowing your audience's preferences and pain points. Now picture this: you've done your homework and you know your audience inside out. You're aware of their struggles, desires, and what keeps them up at night. With this golden knowledge, selecting affiliate offers becomes a breeze. You're no longer just throwing offers at them, hoping something sticks. Instead, you're presenting solutions that speak directly to their needs, making them feel understood and cared for. This connection doesn't just happen. It's built on the foundation of genuinely understanding who you're speaking to. It's about going beyond demographics to grasp the challenges they face in their daily lives. Are they looking to save time? Perhaps they're seeking ways to make their lives easier or more enjoyable. Your role is to be the bridge that connects your audience's problems with the perfect solutions. And here's the kicker: when you choose offers that genuinely resonate with your audience, your recommendations come off as authentic and trustworthy. This isn't just about making a sale, it's about building a relationship with your audience where they see you as a reliable advisor, not just another marketer trying to make a quick buck. But here's something to ponder: have you taken the time to really understand your audience? What are their deepest desires and most pressing pain points? Leave your thoughts in the comments below and share how this understanding has shaped the affiliate offers you choose to promote. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Creating high-quality content is like planting a garden. You start with the seed of an idea, nurture it with research and creativity, and ultimately watch it blossom into something that engages and captivates your audience. But why is this process so important? Well, in a world cluttered with information, your content needs to stand out, to be the beacon that guides your audience through the noise. Imagine scrolling through your social feed. What makes you stop and engage with a piece of content? It's not just the catchy headline or the vibrant images. It's the promise of value. Whether it's teaching you something new, solving a problem, or simply providing a moment of entertainment, valuable content speaks directly to you, doesn't it? But here's the twist: creating content that resonates isn't just about knowing your audience. It's about deeply understanding their needs, desires, and the challenges they face. It's about crafting a story or a message that feels custom-made for them. It's the difference between adding to the noise and cutting through it. And remember, the magic doesn't stop at creation. The real alchemy happens when your content is so relevant and engaging that your audience not only consumes it but feels compelled to share it. That's when you know you've hit the gold mine. It's not just about attracting eyes, it's about retaining them, turning a casual viewer into a loyal fan. But here lies the challenge: how do you consistently produce content that strikes a chord every single time? What strategies do you employ to ensure your content is always relevant, interesting, and above all, valuable? Drop your thoughts and strategies in the comments below. How do you keep your garden of content flourishing? Creating content that not only captures attention, but also stands the test of Google's constantly evolving algorithm requires a blend of creativity and strategic thinking. Imagine this: you've crafted a piece of content that you're incredibly proud of. It's informative, it's engaging, and it tells a compelling story. But there's a problem: it's not getting the visibility it deserves. This is where SEO, or search engine optimization, steps in like a superhero. The first step in your SEO adventure is understanding keywords. Keywords are like the compass for your content. They guide search engines to your site and tell them what your content is about. But it's not just about throwing in a bunch of keywords and hoping for the best. It's about finding the right balance and ensuring these keywords fit naturally within your content. Next up, we explore the realm of mobile optimization. With most of the internet traffic coming from mobile devices, if your content isn't friendly to those smaller screens, you might as well be invisible. This means ensuring your website is responsive, your content is easily readable, and your images load quickly on a variety of devices. And then there's the secret sauce: engaging, value-packed content. Search engines love content that answers questions, provides solutions, and keeps the reader engaged from start to finish. This means creating content that is not only optimized for search engines, but also resonates with your human readers. But how do you make sure your content continues to perform well over time? Here's a hint: it involves regular audits and updates to keep things fresh and relevant. Because in the SEO world, staying still means falling behind. Now imagine seeing your content climb the ranks, reaching more eyes than you ever thought possible, and driving targeted traffic to your site. That's the power of SEO done right. But tell me, what's been your biggest challenge in optimizing your content for search engines? Navigating the world of social media can feel like trying to tame a wild beast, especially when you're aiming to promote affiliate products. Each platform boasts its own unique environment and demands tailored strategies for effective engagement. But fear not, the key to cracking this code lies in understanding the nuances of each social media giant. First up, Instagram, a visual paradise where stunning images and catchy videos reign supreme. But the secret ingredient, captivating stories that take your followers on a journey, subtly weaving in your affiliate products without making your feed look like a billboard. The art is in the storytelling, making your followers feel they're part of an exclusive club. Then we have Facebook, the behemoth where communities thrive. Here, authenticity is your best friend. Engage with your audience through live videos, share personal experiences, and create polls to spark conversations. The goal is not just to sell, but to build trust and create a loyal community that values your recommendations. Don't overlook Pinterest, a powerhouse for driving traffic. With the right keywords and visually appealing pins, you can lead a steady stream of potential buyers right to your affiliate products. It's about creating value-packed boards that serve as resources, not just advertisements. YouTube is where you can truly shine by creating valuable content that entertains and educates. Product reviews, tutorials, and how-to guides are golden opportunities to showcase affiliate products in action, providing real value to viewers while highlighting the product's benefits seamlessly. But here's the big question. How do you ensure that your content doesn't just blend in with the noise, but actually stands out and grabs attention? The answer lies in crafting compelling content that speaks directly to the needs and desires of your audience, making them feel understood and catered to.